Hello everyone, my name is Elena Almanova. I'm your lawyer in Cyprus, and today I want to discuss with you whether you can buy a property in Cyprus without traveling to Cyprus. The short answer is yes, although you need to look into a few nuances if you want to do everything correctly before you engage in such a transaction. In this video, we will briefly discuss what you need to prepare, how the procedure is followed, what risks are involved, and other important factors to consider. Remote investment became highly popular after the COVID pandemic. Therefore, the procedure has been adjusted. The developers, local lawyers, and real estate agent have adjusted also accordingly to assist you in these transactions. If you have already chosen a property and want to proceed with the purchase transaction, you will need to appoint a legal representative to represent you in this transaction and secure your rights and interests. According to the Cyprus regulations, your lawyer has full responsibility to represent you in purchase transaction, but they will need to get a power of attorney from you to proceed with specific steps. Usually how we work with our clients is we have an initial consultation, we have a Zoom call, Google Meet, etc. to discuss all of the important points, to discuss which documents we will need from the client, and then if we agree on the cost and everything, we sign a legal service agreement and prepare the required document package for our client to sign in his or her country. Usually we ask the client to certify their signatures in Cypriot embassies or by a local notary, because they will be needed to be certified, not just signed. And then the original documents must be sent to us to Cyprus to proceed. But meanwhile you're doing all that, we can already proceed with necessary steps, which we usually do to enter into a purchase transaction. What do I mean? While the client goes to certify the documents needed, we start and conduct all of the necessary searches of the property, of the developer, etc. Usually, what does the lawyer check? The lawyer checks the property itself, any licenses that have been issued, the validity and legality, whether there are any encumbrances on the property or encumbrances or debts on the developer or the seller itself. We specify what exactly is being sold. If it's a resale, we confirm which furniture or electrical appliances are sold, etc. So we conduct the full due diligence of the project you are buying, and then as your lawyers, we give you a green light or our comments to proceed accordingly. Without these major checks, any property purchase in Cyprus will be a risky transaction. You need to ensure that all of those factors are checked before signing any legally binding documents. If you're based abroad, the contracts of sale or reservation agreements can be either signed distantly. In those cases, you will need to send them to Cyprus in their original forms, or when you issue us a power of attorney, we can sign them on your behalf via a written instruction from you. Every action done by a lawyer who is a registered member of Cyprus Bar Association is regulated and must be instructed by the client. So there are no risks to engage in relationship with local lawyers, because every step we take, we must get an approval from the client. Let's briefly discuss the communication step. How do we operate since the majority of our clients are from abroad? We do establish either a WhatsApp group for quick communication, so we can have access to our team members at any point of the day when you need it, or in case of something urgent that you will be able to reach us even on the weekends. And also any major communication goes via the email, so any documents, contracts, appendices will be sent to you via an email correspondence. These two means are the main means of communication we use at the moment, but obviously according to our clients' requests, they may be adjusted. So since we proceeded with the initial checks, we've drafted everything, received necessary documents from the client authorizing us to proceed with the deal, and enter into the legally binding agreement, our client can make the payment distantly, remotely, obviously, via his bank account. In some cases, at the moment, even crypto payments via regulated, licensed crypto trading platforms are also accepted. so they're not violating any Cypriot laws. So depending on your financial situation, we'll be able to assist you in establishing the correct structure. It's very important to understand that in Cyprus, you don't need a Cyprus bank account to proceed with the payments and buy property in Cyprus. Usually we do open bank accounts for our clients at a later stage in cases if they're going to be renting out their property to receive the rent payments, or in case if they'll be relocating to have a local bank account. Depending on their needs, bank account may be opened, but it is not mandatory. Also, depending on your family needs and the reason why you're investing in Cyprus and buying a property, we'll be able to assist you with either your immigration status at a later stage or with any other tax issues that may arise from renting out your property and consulting on those. Establishing a clear structure and working with registered lawyers and registered real estate agents is highly important to make sure that your risks while investing in property in Cyprus remotely is dropped to zero. Because Cyprus is a European country, highly developed in the area of property transactions, especially international investment in Cyprus. So you won't have any major issues in that if you follow the correct procedure. If you have any questions or you're thinking about investing in Cyprus or buying a property here remotely for yourself, you can reach to us and we'll be happy to sign you up and assist you with that.